My topic is just a gentle reminder. It is not a cause, just reminding us about our practices. Yeah. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, siapa yang tak jawab tadi? Siapa ada tak jawab? All jawab? Ha? Mungkin tak?
Ben tak jawab, sino hindi nag-response.
No response?
Uh,
Because Assalamualaikum is very important in this case. Where? Talak Fatah? Oh, here. Fatah not working. Cannot Fatah. Where's your computer? Oh, there. Alright. Okay.
You need only to
Down here to your computer. Okay. I think I need you to be flashing. You see? Dah. Let's talk about Assalamualaikum, yeah? We always say Assalamualaikum. Very easy. Assalamualaikum. But if we talk about Assalamualaikum, I told you cannot. Patah. You take a chance, sit here.
please use this one.
Okay. Because Assalam is just an Arabic word. And it is just a peace to you. Assalam, peace. Remember, peace, harmony. Harmony and peace. So can I? Where? This one where?
This one and this one only.
I want to go up.
Okay, you try that.
No lah. Not nice lah, but that's why I say you take a chance, sit here. You just, you bring the computer here, I press. Yeah, better. Sometimes these gadgets here are not working. Got enough wire? Okay. Oh my goodness. I can use it outside in the garden. Yeah, better lah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so if you look at the Assalam, it's just peace. Remember, when you say Assalam, immediately in your heart, peace. And you will be in peace. You feel the peace and the harmony. But if you go to Assalamualaikum, we always do that. It's just peace, mercy, and forgiveness. So Assalam, peace. Assalamualaikum, peace plus mercy, forgive me, blessing. So it's for you already, yeah. But if you go to Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, it's please prosperity, lots of blessings for me. And if you do this, you get 10 marks. Example but it's not marks. It's depend on Allah how many you want. But if you get Assalam, 2 marks. Assalamualaikum, 5 marks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, you got 10 marks. So why waste? So might as well if you see people, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In your heart, peace, harmony, blessing, forgiveness. Every time you do that, you get peace, you get harmony, you get blessing, and you get forgiveness. So why want to stop at Assalam? Why? No need. Right? So now you must practice. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And how about if you salam, then they didn't respond?
You got it, they didn't get it. Never mind. They choose to get or not just pahala, the blessing. Yeah, pahala for all of us want pahala. But we also want to berkat, blessing to us. So they don't answer. Leave it lah. Why you worry? Why you worry that Hey, I said salam, you never answer me.
I also don't understand. So Ustaz said, never mind. You
Yeah.
don't answer that thing.
That's their
Ah,
problem,
see,
not your
I don't
problem.
know. I think, this
Every
time don't salam already.
no
You know,
cannot,
you must
cannot.
salam.
You for you.
Ah,
It's for you.
yeah.
Peace,
Yeah.
harmony,
Yeah.
forgiveness,
Yeah.
and blessing. So why you worry about whether she got or not? Like she, because of her that you got this.
Yeah.
You got it so far? All right. And we hope that we have growth spiritually. Okay. Then, then they answer, Waalaikumsalam. Apa ini like this the answer. Why you worry?
Yeah.
It's not for you.
Yeah. Correct.
It's for them. Yeah, they want 2 marks. So why you worry? You want 10 marks, you leave it lah. So Waalaikumsalam, may Allah give you health. He answered to you. May Allah give you health. May Allah give you happiness.
No.
Thank you. for
Now,
that.
I understand.
Yeah.
I don't understand. I say, don't salam
You
again.
cannot.
Now,
It's for you.
yeah.
So is it good every time? And some men are very cheeky. They Assalamualaikum to you. And you look that you know you don't want to reply. You in your heart.
In the heart.
Waalaikumsalam. And look down. The eyes might be down. Like you cheeky lah like that lah. So we don't want. Tak jawab pun tak bagus kan. They are giving you the berkat and you don't want lah. So take it but quiet in the heart. Waalaikumsalam. Kalau you don't like that girl, why you are Waalaikumsalam. Finish. Peace. Harmony. God forgive me. Give me happiness. Give me my spiritual growth. So why you worry about other people? They don't never mind lah. Got it? So, but the Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That is playing. No good. No good. You are not respect. You're asking Allah. And yet you Assalamualaikum. Why? Assalamualaikum is a serious thing. To stop. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Later they know you mean something. It's not just Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. No, don't play joke with this. Because it might come back, you don't get any blessing, yeah? So we try Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In 3 phases. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. They reply, they don't reply. Never mind. Smile. 4. Barakat already, number 4. Smile. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum. You don't, why? They give you the opportunity to get 4 marks and you don't. No, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Smile. The 4th one. If you don't get any of those 3, at least smile. So far so good? Alright, can we move on? Okay. Why everybody is so
I call you
important?
later. I got meeting lah.
Right.
Okay, call it later. Okay. Thank you.
Em coi.
Thank
Cho
you.
chị nè. You mute lah.
Never mind lah. It's okay.
Cannot. You cannot abruptly disturb
No,
us.
I said that day I told her, I got class, don't call me. That's already.
That's why you must mute lah.
Never mind lah, kata. Okay.
So can we say that the next one, oh, she don't know how to mute. I just take the battery off. Why worry? Sure, huh?
Sure. It's okay,
Sorry,
it's okay.
ah, you must
Yeah.
say sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Siapa? Your sister?
No, kawan.
Apalah kawan.
Uh,
Kalau boyfriend tak apa. Okay. Thank you very much for joining us. And we hope we have a nice session for 1 hour. And I just want to do a little bit of myself, introduction. I'm a nurse for the last 55 years. And I've been all around the world, 85 countries and all that. That's how I got my professorship. I'm from UM. So if you look at it. 75 years young, not old, young.
Now no old.
All young. I'm married for 53 years and I have 4 children. I have 2 boys and 2 girls. But I have 12 grandchildren. Ayyo, like the couple, the boat broken when they were young lah. But now they all grown up already. So all grown up, six are big, six in the universities already,
Big family.
and the youngest is the corner there. Oh, this is where I want to use this lah, salah. Jom, I cannot see. There, cannot. The one at the corner there, that's my youngest. She's 12 years old.
White, wearing white.
You need for my latest award is I'm very proud to say in 24 I was awarded the icon of because of so long. And the other one is I'm one of the 100 women in Malaysia who inspire others. Oh no, another woman. So that is the latest award that I got. And I say enough lah. Don't want already. Plenty. No, I just want you to do something like this. Spot the animal. How many animals can you see there? You can work together with a friend.
Seven.
Everyone must tell me.
6, 8.
6, 7, 8.
6 ah.
6, 8. Okay.
1,
6.
5, 2,
Asha? 6, 5.
7, 8, 9.
Nak kau for me, 9.
Why got 9? She got sharper eyes.
Siapa?
I changed the
You change to?
6 lah.
I cannot hear you.
6 lah.
six,
Change to 6.
Okay, let's see. 1.
Ah.
Shark, can you see?
Yeah.
Number 2.
Ah.
So 9.
See? Number 3.
Turtle.
Number 4.
Oh, this one I
Oh.
get it.
Number 5.
Why?
6.
Oh,
Penguin, can you see the penguin?
Mm.
7.
Ayuh.
A donkey, everybody see lah.
Ah.
Donkey, the dog, the cat, and the mouse. All can see, right?
snake.
The
Oh, the
snake.
snake.
Oh.
Snake.
And the
tail.
mosquito.
Ah.
But many don't see the
Oh,
elephant.
the
Yeah,
elephant.
yeah. I don't see that.
What I'm trying to say, sometimes we see the big thing we don't see. We see the small thing. But the big thing we ignore. Sometimes the big thing also important. What I'm trying to tell you is not a number of animals. No need, enough. No need to tell me how many already. What I'm trying to show you
Ah.
is that focus. No need to know, can be 12, can be 14, can be 10.
Yeah.
The focus.
Hmm.
Where are you focusing? You sometime in Islam, in you do not focus. You see everything everywhere. But be focused. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Focus yourself.
Hmm.
How many of you focus? Today I want to learn just Pulau. How many of you focus? Cannot. You must focus on what you want to do. Otherwise, next week, next month, next year, still tak hafal. No focus. But if you focus and say, I want to do this week, don't care what happened. Be focused. So you got it? Be focused. All right. Because you are the role model. Once you come into masuk Islam, today, asyhadu alla ilaha illallah, what past, what rubbish you have done, gone. You are now fresh. So we don't want to repeat what we have done, and you are very lucky. Today I masuk Islam, tomorrow I die. I may be very lucky. I don't have any sins. Inshallah lah. That is what we learn. So therefore you have to focus. And also because everybody eye is on you. Saya mu'alaf tau. The eye on you already. So you have to be a role model. Show them that you are a good Muslim. You're a good mu'alaf. Got it so far? Alright, inshallah. Now basic, I think Ustad has touched you. I don't want to go basic. All you know lah. But we are just going to touch on small tips. Small tips. Because to enhance and meaningful what you are doing, practice, we hope you enhance you. Understand you. Sometimes we thought we good. But other people look at us. How do other people? You don't bother? Cannot. So because you are the role model, you are mu'alaf, and then we expect mu'alaf to be different. Lah, those who local, they also worse than us. Why worry? We're not talking about them. We're talking about you. They drink lah, never puasa lah, what lah, they talk so. Why worry? It's there between there dengan God. Why you worry? If I said, ayo this girl lah, she talk too much in my head. Yeah. I dapat today, my pahala go to her. Sudah kasih, no more already left. I only got 5, so I've given her 5. The 6th one, I said it, her dosa come to me. Why? You don't like her, why you want to talk about her? Just let go. Let go. Don't worry lah. Sayang I punya pahala, that 5 I earn, I will do things. And yet I want to give the girl who I don't like. So what for? To try to let go. You see things once. Asyhadu an, then you said, Astaghfirullahaladzim, Astaghfirullahaladzim. Dah sampai? Come. Register later. Come. They are from there. Okay, Alhamdulillah, syukur. What, yeah. So are you with me? Yes, so far are you with me? Kita, we hope that we be a better mu'alaf. Okay. Now, let's recap. There are 5 pillars of Islam, remember? What is the first one? Number 1. Number 2, somebody else, not you all the time. Yeah. Salat, very good. You see, dia baru datang pun dia sudah. She just came and yet she can participate. Next. Somebody else, come on, 5. You must no pillars, no Islam. You must have these 5 pillars inside you. Shada, pray, come on. The third one, louder. Fasting, very good. Zakat, fasting. And then we talk about pilgrimage to Mecca. Hajj, or pilgrimage to Mecca. Alright, we are going to talk about this, but not in theory, but practical. So far so good? Can we move on? Alright. We talk about Shahada. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna. I'm already Islam. I'm Islam, I'm Allah very happy. Is that all? Is that? Take picture for what? And after he already taken a video.
Okay.
No need lah. Tak saya biar sakit Man. There he took video. You can take the video. Sekarang relax. Relax and listen and understand. Don't understand? Ask me. I also don't understand. So because you said, I'm Shada, I'm already a Muslim, is that all you think about? Let's look. Shada number 1 is niyat. Niyat means you from your intention. So when you say, Asyhadu Allah, my intention, tomorrow I want to go here, gone. When you Asyhadu Allah ilaha illallah, your niyat in the heart, when you say it, the meaning there. Number 1. Otherwise, tak hafal. Right? So far. Asyhadu Allah ilaha. Yeah. From your heart. You're saying in your heart. No need. And so, even though you kata your every night you can say it. No harm before you sleep. Renew your Shahada. Tak apa, boleh. So far so good. Number 2. When you talk, I'm already a Muslim, your aurat immediately must come. Whether you like it or not, you must come. Aurat means not only I cover everything is aurat. Not only this. What about transparency? What about curving? I can see the punggung when she walk like this. Aurat. even though cover, but movement, aurat. So be careful lah aurat ni. And then some wear tudung like that, like this, pull up and put this. Why? You already aurat, cover your breast.
Yeah.
Finish. No need lah, cukup lah. So when they look at you, she's a very good, no, mu'alaf. Ataupun aurat dia bagus. Tak ada So no need fashionable. Cukup lah. Niat kita apa? Aurat kita mesti jaga. You must jaga. And therefore there is the hand. Some of them got lace. Nice lace. But all aurat. Can see behind the lace. Tak boleh. In that, kita sendirilah. You will get the bling. So in that sense. What is the next? And tightness. Sometimes I see. Are you sure they are mu'alaf? I told Fatah. So tight. And so tight until you can see it. No need like a piece of paper only like can see what's going on inside. Are you sure you're alright there? You want to sit here? You want to see me? I go and move a bit. Because I saw her like this. I move up a little bit. And can you see me now? Yeah. Siapa nama you? Fatimah? Yasmin. Oh, sedap. I like Yasmin. Bunga Malur we call it. No need, let her talk lah. Yo, sometimes kita kasih can lah orang cakap. Sister, Alhamdulillah, nice voice you got. So no need for her to tell about you.
I know.
Okay. We finish our verbal. I think we said about Assalamualaikum. You have not been here, so you can ask your friends or you can watch the video. How important the Assalamualaikum tadi. We already said that, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. And the other one is, what is that? Inshallah. Anything come out from him, huh? Can you come to the house? Inshallah. Can. Sure. What time you want me to come? 2 o'clock, 3. Inshallah. Kita usaha, we try our best, but Allah will tell you, you can arrive there or not. Maybe you demam, maybe you got no grab, maybe all sorts of things. So, kita kata insyaAllah means, we leave it to Allah. If Allah wants you to go, He will make sure you go. If He doesn't want you to go, a lot of things can happen. So, always this mouth, always say, insyaAllah, or insyaAllah. And you get some pahala for that. Because you are leaving it to Allah. Not because you're so confident. Oh, can. I come, breakfast today, I come. Inshallah, I will try to come. If Allah permit. Inshallah means if Allah permit, give you. Okay. The other thing is Alhamdulillah. Anything, just Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah is syukur. Syukur. Orang kasih you 1 ringgit. Syukur Alhamdulillah. The barakat of that 1 ringgit is more than 1,000. It was very barakat. So always open your, I give you 1 kuih. Fatimah, give you 1 kuih. Alhamdulillah. Everything is Alhamdulillah. Because I went to Makkah the last time, we stay in the tent, Mina, and one lorry load of oranges came in front the tent. So they let go. 1 each. They said, but the one in front, take 6, put in the bag. We all at the back, nothing. So, Ustazah, we tak dapat Dia kata, never mind. Say syukur, Alhamdulillah. Itu orang yang ambil yours, dia sekarang kasih you pahala. Why you, so if you only allowed to have 1, no need lah to take 6. Because you are taking somebody else. Dosa tak? Haram tak? You are taking, don't know who's 1. Tak payah. And you think you eat 6 can kenyang ke? 1 pun berkat, kenyang sampai pagi. So no need to take extra. Never take. I have seen in a Hari Raya, you all look 1 corner, the other one going to take lemang, rendang, go there, put in a plastic bag, ready, put in the bag. What for? You are taking other people's. Pahala ke? Dosa ke? Halal ke? Haram ke? No need. Go there, eat and come. Finish. In buka puasa, oh, one boy carry 6. You know, the bekas 6. So we stopped him. I said, why you are every day you come for 6? Huh? Because my friend in the room, we take turns to come and take the 6. I said, stop. Because we cook here is for those to break fast here, not in the room. If your friend, the 6 can come, better. Because we want you to eat here, we want you to maghrib, so that lagi ramai orang semayang, lagi lebih kita dapatkan. But if you take home, the objective is not that right. Okay, take today, but tell your friends tomorrow, auntie want to see them here. What was that?
Telling that it's not allowed. Oh, because I asked them, can I bring to ask for
Yeah. If you ask, it's different story. But it's not every day 6 they take turn to come and take. That is different story. But to if you eh? And I understand. You take 2 because you want to give your boss 1. Your boss is rich. Your boss, that one that you took can give to a Muslim who is now here, who sometimes ask Tala, no food left because people take home. Those people who come, not enough. True. Tanyalah Tala, tanyalah Fatah. Who I want to eat also cannot eat, but they don't have. For you, never mind. No, I don't know. And yet the one who come to the mosque, no food to eat, to break the fast. Break the fast, you give them korma, already everyone who eat the korma berkat come to us, inshallah. But now you go and take one and give away and somebody don't have, share. I've seen people share, not enough. They about 250, we prepare, not enough. So just take yours lah, cukup. What for you want to take extra? Okay lah, enough lah, stop lah. You know, the same story one, you're going to ngengek. So can we just stop? Stop, delete, habis. From now on, just take yourself, okay? No need your husband, not husband. Your boss lah, your anak boss lah. Okay? Boleh? Delete already, let go. Okay. So what we talking about? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Always syukur. We got the oxygen today, I can breathe. Alhamdulillah. But in the morning we get up, where got your Alhamdulillah? You awake today, duduk. You get up, you sit down on your bed. Syukur Alhamdulillah, I'm alive today. No, get up already, tong tang. You forgot Allah. You forgot to say thank you Allah. Sit down. I want this 1 minute, sit down. Ya Allah, syukur Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I got one more day to do amalan, to do things good, hoping that your book, later they open. Oh, very good, you got. Some people, they open the book, nothing there. I give samwangan, I give this, I give that, I do this, I do that. But where all my pahala, where? No, why not written? You do it not because of Allah. You do it because I give her $10. I want her to do it for her. Not kerana Allah. I give it, today I sumbang whole mistake, you know. You do it for what? Shut up. Syukur. You don't do it for other people. That's why your buku kosong. Even though you thousand ringgit. But if you do it for Allah, it will be there. Oh, remember, I do it for Allah. I swat there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I do it for Allah so that my body will be strong. I can go and pray and all that. I do it for Allah. Ingat Allah. Aku buat kerana Allah. Apa pun, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inside your heart, I do it for Allah. Habis. Boleh? These are the little things you forget. I have to do a reminder lah, because we are too busy. Now, especially when you get up late. Ayo. Okay, so jaga your mulut. Jaga. Because that way, your behavior also. Ha ho. Why? Because we have to go to here. Ini quiet time. 3 o'clock atur. Why? You and her. Why is the third person listening? They get fed up. Itu pun mau cakap. So because you trigger for her to do that. So janganlah. Shows that you're a good mu'alaf behavior. Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. InsyaAllah, I will come and talk nicely because you are a role model. And people give and so on. So your behavior, look after it. We are watching you. When you communication, also your tone. Assalamualaikum. Tone, the tone. Assalamualaikum. What for? You want everybody to know you say Assalamualaikum? Kan, tadi we went through very detail lah, but you will find out. Your words, no, not yet. Your words. Sometimes same meaning, different meaning, harsh meaning. You eat lah if you want to eat. How many you want? Take lah. Words. Your word can be thank you, can be thank you. Also different meaning. Sarcastic meaning. So we don't want, be careful. You don't untung anything. Kan? Ada untung? Tak ada. So why want to do? Yeah. And of course you embarrass people. Every time you want to correct her, Fatima, I'm going to correct you. Can you just sit up and stand up instead of lying down like that? I embarrass in front of how many people? 10 people. All these 10, I dapat dosa. Because I embarrass her in front of in marketplace. So if you want to correct her, you want to say anything bad about her, between her and me. Tadi like this, like this. Just the two. Habis. Cukup. No need for the third people to know. No, I want them to know lah. That's your problem lah. You want everybody to know. Kan? You enjoy lah. Everybody will know. Kalau nobody will know sini, you enjoy that. You punya buku nanti buka lah kosong. Alright. So we have to be tactful. What is tactful? Tactful is making a point without making them embarrassed. Or if I say, why are you wearing this color? You're so dirty color. Everybody will look at her, right? Because I say that. And can you imagine? I have to embarrass her. But instead, if I go close to her. Got it? Behavior very important, yeah? Personal habit. Let's share. What are the personal habits you like to do? What do you do that you enjoy and happy doing it? Share. The other one, siapa the last one? Forgot the name. Amira. Which one, Amira?
Amina.
Amina, number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3, Amina. Number 2? Yasmin. Yeah, my favorite flower. Yasmin, what do you enjoy most in your life?
Team school person converted in Muslim, and I learned to
All right. But sometimes I enjoy if I can analyze. I enjoy most if I just today I wear a ring, a new ring, expensive ring, show. You don't say also you pakai you tunjuk, also showing off. What is there to show off? Nothing to show off, kan? Right? Do you always talk about the truth about another person? The truth is, Yasmin is a thief, like to steal a few things. That is the truth, right? So I told Yasmin, she's thief lah. She always take my rubber lah, my pencil lah, all that. Itu dia panggil gossip. But if it is not true, Yasmin, Yes, they took my food, Not true. Maybe not true, it lies. Maybe not her, we don't know, but we assume. That is slander. Worse. Fitnah. 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 Lagi teruk pada gosip. So always, if you see something not good, be quiet, and you want to correct her, tell her. No need to tell the third person. Why you tell the third person? For what for? No use. Tell her. She will never change anyway if you tell the third person, the fourth person, but you get accumulated loser. So far so good? Okay. Avoid conflict. Conflict ni, before it goes to the crisis, jerit menjerit, killing, before you get there, keep to the top. Look at the top. What is the top? Yeah, what is the top?
Discomfort.
Discomfort. Yeah. Discomfort is enough. Openly and truthfully talk to her. Only the two of you. Or the three of you get together. That's enough. Because if you don't do that, incident will come. Then I told you correct. Then she walked in again late. Walk in late is always the talk. She biasa lah. She always come late one. What for? Why do you want to comment on that? Yeah? No need. Because misunderstanding. Try to jaga yourself lah. Jaga your book lah. Don't talk about other colors. I'm sorry. Alright? Remain human. Human means that she got problem that we don't know lah. No human got no problem. And we are not in that team. Example lah, the four of you in one team, you have problem. The other team cannot say, if I were you, I do like this, like this, like this. You don't know what is the problem inside you. What is the causes? What is this? Let them handle lah. Why you must come and catch up? So team means you can be alone. You also have your, not enough money lah this month. 500 ringgit, not enough. How? I borrow lah. And then the other one, 500 also not enough. You must borrow. Why? She, you know how she belanja, 500 not enough. Every time enough. Why this month not enough? She got maybe medicine. She may be, we don't know. We don't know. That's her. So always remember, a team is that person or that team. You don't get involved because you don't know what is the problem. All right. So far so good? All right. Any question? If tak ada, you tulis. What have you learned so far? Just 2 items enough. That's why I say you must have paper. Yeah, your paper have it. You forgot to bring us, ma. Paper, please. Like that. Like that. See, you open the mouth, people give. Now no pen. Pen got. Handphone got. Okay, tulis. What so far? What have you learned? 2 things enough now. Can I give you 1 minute? Don't look at me. Look at your paper. Sudah? Sudah. Sudah. Okay, anybody want to share what they learned? I forgot your name again. Bismillah. Belakang? Yeah. Belakang, I already know. Fatima, Yasmin, Amina. See? Yeah, Siti. There's one Siti, Aisha. Because she moved. She's supposed to be sitting there, remember? See, I remember. Siti, Aisha. Yeah, Aisha. You need to scan lah.
About myself, to be like good to my attitude, to change my bad attitude lah. Sometimes I become rude or like that. Yeah.
Example?
Example, I talk very rude lah.
The words you are rude.
Yeah, rude.
So try. Okay, thank you. Anybody else? What do you learn so far from this?
I learned dati na always saying Alhamdulillah and Inshallah. Most of the time, I'm not using this word.
Very good. Okay,
Now
you
I
practice.
learn.
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah. You learn. Alhamdulillah. When you say the word Alhamdulillah, the berkat will come in. I tell you, somebody, I only got 17 ringgit, 10 ringgit. And I said, I only got 10 ringgit and you asked me for 10 ringgit. But never mind lah, I give you lah. I tell her the truth. Then I only got this one, but you want to take lah. Never mind, inshallah, whatever you want to use it for, you use it for. I want to go and buy drugs, she said. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Why don't you use it? Anyway, I've given it to you. Tomorrow, I was asked to pay 17,000. Just because I sedekah 10 ringgit. The next day, I was told, you have to pay 17,000. Adalah my husband masuk what? 17? Where to get the money, yeah? I was right. Tomorrow, can I come and see you? Can tomorrow I come? You know what she said? No need to pay. I said, well, Alhamdulillah. Why? Suddenly I no need to pay. We already refer, you're a pensioner, don't know what. Calculate, I no need to pay. Then I go back and remember that 10 ringgit I give you that to buy drug. So his money is his intention. But your intention is to sedekah kat dia.
Sedekah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Kalau itu, nak drug, give me back lah. Cannot. You have given to him. He wants to use it to milk kah, apa kah. That's it. Got it? But you must give with a good heart. Ikhlas. Tak apalah, ambil lah. Nak buat apa ni? Nak beli dadah. Astaghfirullahaladzim. But it's his money. So why you worry? Right? So far good? Anybody dying to share? What you learned? Yeah, Fatima.
Today I learned about the 5 pillars of Islam, and then I learned how to communicate to other people, the good things that you have to do, that you have to greet the fellow Muslims in a nice way, and you have to say like Assalamu alaikum, and then you have to reply with Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And then we always say that Alhamdulillah, everything, whatever happens to us, we have to say Alhamdulillah.
Okay. He said, Assalamualaikum. Somebody want to answer to that? What do we learn today? Speak. When we say Assalamualaikum, how many remember the day? So you have to use the good word. Assalamualaikum is peace. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi, harmony, forgiveness. So full. Assalamualaikum. No need Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. No need. Assalamualaikum.
Inshallah.
Cukup. No need. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I get 10 marks. You divide it. Yes, now we divide into 3. Assalamualaikum. Enough. Alright, good. Very good. So let's move on. We finish Shahada. So just because you take the Shahada, it doesn't mean you're a good Muslim now. I remember all those things that we teach you this morning. Now we talk about Salat. Ayo, Salat. Lazy. When I was a little also, I lazy. Until my father had to use a cane. Never on my body, but enough to frighten me. 5 times a day, ayo. Why cannot once a day? Why 5 times a day? Can so much work, blah, blah, blah. But if you really look, Salat is 5 times. Our Nabi has gone many times to see Allah and said from 50, go down, 10, 4, and so on, and so on, and so on. 5 only. 5, but you get the berkat like you do 50. Can you imagine? The berkat that you get because you do the 5 times. So it's not one day, 1 time, 50 times. Please remember. Allah said, okay, I will reduce it to 5. But never mind, your berkat, if your rakyat lah you make, I give you 50 marks. So imagine you wasted so much. And also, and so try. Now let's review the first thing. We hear azan. Many times, I include you all also in here when I have a buka puasa here, ma'alaf, azan only, there's so many things to talk about. I don't know why. Many things suddenly come to your head. To tell your friend lah, itulah, inilah. Before azan, no talk. Azan only, why? itu jin syaitan sudah ikut. He kacau you. Do it, tak apa. You remember, you forgot, give the rice, blah, 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 blah. Also, that's why the children, when the mother pray, a lot of children crying. Why? Jin sudah kacau. So that the mother stop. That's what it is. So selalu the mother let them go, the baby feed, the mother not urgent and all that. Syaitan sudah kacau. That's why in the mosque, you hear, solat aja, the baby crying. Lot of shaitan going around disturbing them. So same with you. Azan, asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. I forgot to tell you, blah, 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 blah. Azan, zip. Even though your Quran, you're reading, stop. I got one more verse to finish. Stop. Can you pick even that? So what do you even salat if you are not finished? Finish it kalau ada satu rakaat. Ini tidak, you finish the 4 rakaat, cannot. So bila azan, you must answer, listen. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You will listen with your heart, Allahu Akbar. You will be in tears. Allah the great, Allah the great. You jawab. Kita kata, Syahadu la ilaha illallah, Nabi Muhammad ini. Hayya ala salah. Hayya ala salah. Tak payah repeat. Allahumma salli alaihi wasallam. Kita try to reply. But if you cannot reply, repeat what they say. Pun dah alhamdulillah. Sometimes kita tak hafal kan? Never mind. But at least you start listening. Listen. Stop. Pinggan tak ada lah. Sudu tak ada lah. Dia cari sudu. Nak buka tak ada sudu. Is it necessary? Answer. No, if you know the meaning, better. Okay? Azan so far so good? Alright. Qiblat. In a masjid, problem. Qiblat is qiblat. You know where. But when you go to hotel, you go to you try to get the qiblat. Because semua satu dunia, satu universe face the qiblat. Only you face there. How come? Qiblat is Kaabah lah. So can you imagine in the whole universe? Oh, look at Kaabah. Where is Fatimah? Don't know where she look at. Where is Siti? Tak ada. Langsung itu Aisyah langsung tak ada. Ikut dia miss. You're not there. So please make sure your qiblat is correct. When you put qiblat, you put you ambil itu tak sejadah. Kita tengok dia dekat situ. Satu. Okay. Usually people think very simple because you are supposed to look where you are going to sujud. But if you, cantik lah ini, bunga cantik lah, itulah, inilah.
But how if don't have shahadah?
You tak ada syahadah?
No, the sajadah.
You don't have?
How if you go to travel, you go to hotel that don't have the...
If you tell me don't have, you are great. No excuse. Nampak paper lah. Kan? If you want, before you travel, carilah itu, ada disposable. Ini pun ada. Don't talk lah, I cannot pray lah, I don't have this lah, I don't have. No, you should prepare number 1 to put in your bag. Yeah, I forgot lah. You are not setting priority to your prayer. A lot of things. So in this one, it's big. When you put 2 people can pray together. But no, you alone. And then what happened? Because it's so big, you jauh, tak rapat. Then you punya saf sudah putus. You don't get the full. So why you want to get the big? I want to show off lah. My friend buy for me from Mecca. The friend that buy also like something wrong. I never buy a big one. Even though a small one, I always share. I turn. Can you imagine when you turn, she prayed, you all get the whole thing that she prayed, you also got. Double. Terbalik dari itu.
Share.
Why not?
Oh, share.
You understand? So share lah. Why? Oh, cannot. My leg is so itchy. I must be on the thing. Then don't know lah. We don't know lah kan. The other thing about this one is, in the mosque, when was the last time they wash? You ask me. I think 10 years maybe. Never wash or some places wash lah. So don't use mosque punya sejadah. Because you are going to go like that, you got nose. After that, you will lipat, another one pakai. Now TB, you know. TB is on the rise. So why can't you take a thin one like cloth for yourself? You look after yourself like, no need lah, I will take the mosque. Why? Why? Dirty. You don't know when. Who was the last one who used? You don't know. So yourself, you know. So ambil sejadah yang tipis, yang ringan, yang clean, then you bungkus your telekung. That's that. No lah, cannot. I got no sejadah. Excuse. No excuse. Buka bag, first thing to put sejadah and telekung. Got it? And this one, when you lipat, you cannot, you lipat like this. Whole inside like this. Why? Because outside like this, kalau berak cicak ke, lipas or berak, all najis, is outside. But you turn the other way around until you buka. Got it? Alright? So far so good? Alright. Now we want to talk about the telekung. Telekung is tremendously beautiful nowadays. Cantik, macam. Lace sana, lace sini, everywhere lace. Cantik, lebar. Kan?
Yeah, macam.
Satu the color. Brown, coklat, either orange ke, green ke, doesn't matter. But the most better is either white or black. That's all. The white is the most. When you wear white, you feel, I'm facing Allah. You're going to die like this. Like this, like you're going to die. So when you wear white, also dapat berkat lebih. Rather than black. Rather than red. Some people I saw the other day. Orange. Aduh. Where are they going to the beach ke apa? So be careful your color. That one, how many people, that she is very lucky. A lot of people talk about her. She's getting all the pahala. As I said, somebody asked me, what do you think about Rosma? I said, Rosma will be alone in the heaven. I said, why? She, that is like this. Exactly. The whole world talk about her. Diorang punya pahala all go to her. Why you want to talk to her as though you talk about her, you will get 10,000 from her. You don't. You lose your pahala to her. So she will be plenty of pahala alone in the heaven. All of you know it. Betul? So not necessary. Doesn't involve you. Forget it lah. Enough. Yeah. And jarang, I think you saw some of them are very jarang. And not jarang also tipis, lekat to the body. Yeah. Hey, come in. This is my very good friend. I know that. I thought you tak jadi datang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come. Ambilkan kursi. No. Mari lah dulu. She is another CPR expert. Trained from US. Yeah. And when I was sick, I sudah baik. I wanted to go to Umrah. She's the one who temankan I pergi Umrah. She stayed in Medina more than 25 years. Makkah. So she's a very close friend of mine, like a family. Alhamdulillah, welcome.
Sorry, lambat.
I was about to scold her. Why you late? But she's not part of it lah. She just want to see. Yeah. No, dah. Settle lah. She was tadarus. I tadarus finish early. Waalaikumsalam. I thought she asked me already. Siapa nama dia? Alah, enough. Jarang means very can see transparent. Talking about telekung, we are talking telekung jarang you can see, and sometimes very you can feel that body all cling to the body. Okay. The other one is color finish. Face. if you do solat like this, yours, Fatima, ini yours, Aisyah, semuanya tak lulus. Ini aurat kita. Bila kita mau solat, kita kena tarik pergi sini. Yeah, so you jalan-jalan, you tunjuk your leher, everybody see lah. Aurat already. And you solat. If you look, a lot of people solat like this. They don't know, you must cover. Sampai, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just pull it up. This. Semua ni semua aurat. Kita tak tahu, tak sedar. You don't realize that you are opening your aurat. Very simple je kan. Okay. So that is the face. So far so good? Boleh? Okay. Sejadah, we already said that just now, right? Wudu. Wudu takes wudu ni you can have, I think Ustaz already told you, blah, 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 blah. But just a reminder, there's 4 things that you must be careful. One is the face. Face from here, down, open your thing behind and right down. Face. Nombor 1. Kalau you tak kena sini, tak sah. So do it from just some people like this. Oh, oh. Not say wrong, but you don't know whether correct. Sapulah. And then go like that. As long as you don't angkat your tangan, you still got the water there. Then rata. Rata-rata kan. Around it, make sure go here. Your eye here. Sini selalunya kita lupa. Cekak inside your eye here. So I usually use my finger. Go like that, go there, go down. Slowly lah. What's the rush? Okay. Number 1, the face must wajib Number 2, what is wajib? Now our friend demo on a tudung pula. Demo.
Very high.
Later lah you use. Tenang lah you. Number 2, your hand. So hand ni kadang-kadang kita ini macam. We take, what happened to here tak kena. You just, so what tak kena. That's why I say slowly. Take the water, make sure tangan-tangan in between, kena air kan. And then kita takkan, kita ini, tak boleh ini macam cannot down lah. Up.
Cannot like that.
Up lah.
Up lah.
Then you go like, in case I do this.
Oh.
So you know, instead of in front kena, at the back tak kena, kan? So do that and then you move until over this and over lift up to here. Oh sayanglah, bro, ada itu and my sleeve lah. Who asked you to wear the sleeve? Make sure you put up your sleeve lah. Okay. Because something like this, he didn't get here.
Never work.
Didn't. Got it? And then sometimes you lipat there, here betul tak kena. Number 2, that one. Number 3, head. Head pun some people, we don't want to wet your hair.
Oh, don't wash your hands.
No, it's the kepala. What do you call it? The isi the head. Not the hair.
Your head.
Head. So you got water there. Make sure you touch the head. The head. You got it?
Touch your hair only until behind only lah.
No need, but just touch the head. Touch I can feel it. I can hear.
Oh, touch the face.
Head, not the hair. Your hair can be all wet.
All wet.
But your head not tak kena.
Oh.
Cannot. You must make sure. Number 3, this all wajib. And number 4 is the kaki. Kaki selalu orang ini macam short ini. Kaki in between. You never bother. Kena water air ke tidak. So it start from there, you make sure you buka lah. So you can open lah your leg, make sure ada air kan. Then you went down, right? And you always forget up to the, tak kena. Dia no rush. Finish. Sembahyang tak sah. Ambil wudu tak sah. So how? Slowly lah, wudu is very important. And don't lah tu water, jet water. No need. You dapat dosa kerana membasuh air. Make sure it kena. So a bit lambat tak apa. That's why you must go early lah. Take wudu kan. Got it? So these 4, yang lain tu tak apalah. But these 4 you make sure kena itu masukkan. So what's so good? Alright? Nun, okay ke Nun? Kenapa? Dia bosan Nun. Kita sudah sampai sini dah. You are you staying? Are you staying? Staying down lah. You want to go anywhere? No? Okay. Because itu girlfriend dia panggil, dia banyak girlfriend tu. Okay. Before you wudu, let's go stand a bit. How many of us, I'm talking about girls lah, urinate. Kita bila urinate, you must make sure you buka sikit, you punya kangkang, so that the urine go out. Kalau you ini macam sometimes, dia merecik, like, merecik apa? To the side, little bit, one drop there, one drop here. You understand? So open up, do it properly, and urinate only there. If you close a little bit, you go to the side lah, to the hair lah, all that najis lah. Satu. Keduanya, istinja. You must istinja. Habis itu, kadang you ambil itu. Kena ke tak kena pun tak tahu. Istinja. With the pipe. Kalau dengan gayung lagi, you don't do it. Lagi gayung susah mau cebok. So better with the spray. Tak payah. And then, you sudah, itu istinja. Berak, berkencing. Ada istinja? Ada. Lagi satu, kita wanita, we got period, we intercourse, we have rana, deliver, and all that, kita kena mandi hadas besar. Hadas besar itu bersih, betul tak? Macam dia semayang tadi. Betul ke tidak? Kalau tidak, kita semayang kena. You shock sendiri. I finish all my prayers. Buka buku. Semua tak jalan. Tak betul. Kan? So kita kena make sure kita itu semua kena. Hadas kecil, istinja, urine, all that lah. Pay attention. There's a lot of people who bring a little bottle. Because when you do that, you shoot. You put water, then you squeeze. Kalau tak ada don't have
the pipe.
then they use the gayung-gayung. Cannot lah.
Oh, cannot.
So you bring
Empty bottle.
with you. And then not the Tupperware, cannot squeeze.
Ini water bottle.
Itu ambil, you shoot like that lah. You take water. Itu
Also can lah.
of course can lah. You, okay. Then of course before you wudu, lazy lah you all. How many of you brush teeth? No need lah. I say, actually you're going to talk to Allah. You talk to your friend also, you ask, wait brush. Talk to Allah. Why? You are talking to who? Allah. Nanti bila dalam solat tu, if you notice the surah, early part kita we say about Allah, good, all that. The second phase is always kita minta itu, minta ini, read the meaning. You minta ini, and yet tak gosok gigi. Makanan ada selit-selit sini. How come you talk to Allah, you want something, you do this? Brush lah, smell ke gigi, ada lekat-lekat itu cili. Assalamualaikum. Stuck lah, don't know what stuck, ayam ke apa. Cannot, you are talking to Allah. Why are you talking to him? You're not talking to your friend. You're not talking to your family.
Yeah,
you are talking to Allah, and yet you cepatlah, ada lah sikit. Oh, telan. Jangan we gelak what we do. Now you remember. Please lah, brush your teeth. Brush, kalau tak banyak pun sikit take care and the smell on that. And then the water all ready for wudu, ready, Not after that you cari here, don't have pula dah. Alright. 4 areas wajib. I think we gone through that. The 4. Okay. Now, time for solat. I think you must. Azan is where it is. Here. You said, belum lagi. My side, another 1 hour. You pray according to azan in where you are. Not when PJ belum buka lagi lah. Cannot. Got it? You must pray where the masjid azan. That means sudah. Alright, we already told you. Face qiblat, we already said. Clean from najis clothing. The clothing lah especially ya. You terkencing lah apalah. Kan? Kadang terduduk kat tak cicak lah. So be careful lah all that. Hadas besar I think. Okay, I want to talk about hadas besar. Hadas besar is very important. Hadas besar is those 3 things. Period. You deliver. Intercourse. What is the 4th one? Anyway, itu hadas besar. You want to mandi. Women lah. Especially mandi wajib. Yeah. Now, very important. This one you must hear. Oh, the other one is dreaming. Dream that you got orgasm. Wet dream. Also, hadas besar. These 4 things. And now you've got to pay attention to this. Because first you clean yourself, you mandi, shampoo, apa lah. And then you niat, I want to mandi hadas besar. Okay, ensure every part of the body wet with water. Are you sure you wet with water? Are you very sure when you finish? Alhamdulillah, I am very sure I am clean from hadas besar. At the end of it. But no, cannot. Salah, semayang salah, semua salah. Tak sah. So how can we do? I do this. Please observe. I do upper. Upper means I make sure water touch all my ears, my inside ear here, even my ear pierce. You know ada lubang kita cucuk ini. Itu pun I picit. At the back, you make sure your atas ni semua. Sini hidung ini, sini. Ada tahi lalat pun bawa and on. And I ask myself, if I wet all my upper plate, answer is yes, then I move. Abdomen. Baru I move. If I say no, then I keep on doing it until I'm very happy that all my upper is water sudah dapat. Now abdomen. Abdomen, remember, lagi teruk kita. Armpit, nipple, the nipple, the pusat itu, situ semua. Tapi ada fold like me lah, got a lot of fold. Must take out the fold, wet it, you must make sure, just now we are very sure, upper done. Abdomen done or not? Are you happy? I ask myself lah. I'm happy. Okay. Then we move on. The private part. Private part comes from the pusat until there. What about at the fold there, at the back, and the kita punya labial, semua tu kena kasih air. Buka, air shoot, belakang, tepi, the kaki especially the leg, where you terlipat ini, your knee, folded. Buka kan, straight your leg. And am I finished with my private part? This private one. Sometimes I sit down to make sure my fold at the pieces there all kena. That one important, very wajib. I use to sit down and then spray down. You know the back there, kita tak nampak dah. Kalau gini macam, kita kena buka. Make sure. Are you happy your private part? Yes, I'm happy. Oh, water. Okay, we go to the lower. That is the leg. This is where sometimes ini tak kena, ini tak kena, ini kena. When you forgot that you are doing this, bawah ni tak kena. You forgot because you live like this tak kena air. Tak sah. You got it? So be careful, slow. That's why I said, usually I mandi lama. Half an hour. I said, I'm going to mandi. Don't disturb me, don't call me, don't. Because I want to ensure so much. Make sure. Yeah. Okay, our wrinkle,
Some people cannot tahan. Kutuk pintu.
Itu kalau you share bilik, baik.
Karena kan dia mau cepat mah, saya belum siap mah.
Malam lah mandi, walaupun kau mandi siang. Malam at night play.
Yeah lah.
Nah, what is your problem? You cannot. I want to mandi lah. You shut up, You know, you share the
I
toilet.
never say that. I
No, but if you want to say, so
Ah.
I will tell her, you don't knock.
Ah.
Tomorrow, nowadays, I want at night 10 o'clock is
Ah.
my time.
Ah.
10 to 11. Like that lah. Share. Talk lah.
say,
Talk.
tell the person lah.
Don't knock,
tell
Don't knock, Yeah, I give you time already. Daytime, malam, you don't knock, You knock, I scream at you, Like that.
Yeah, correct. No more.
No more.
No more.
Okay, solat then the position, you stand and your eyes, your thing, you must focus on the sejadah. And your arms. Arm ni, tak payah lah ini macam. Mau pray,
The hand.
No ni lah.
No need.
Hayong dia for what?
Oh, no need.
Like this.
Stand.
Stand, ini like this.
Hmm.
Then, pray. This one, armpit. Start, cannot move until you finish. This armpit. Tak boleh macam. Tak boleh.
Apa ya?
This one sudah lekat. Lekat lah. Sampai Assalamualaikum. So don't try. And then, tengok dekat bawah. Tak payah tengok bunga ke. Apa ke. Itu saja. Ini Telkom cantik lah kan. Ilis dia. Tak payah. All that. Focus where you going to sujud. Focus and niat. Ya Allah, you're talking to God. You're talking to Allah. Sometimes a day because kita talking to Him kan. He listen to you. He still listen to you. Kalau you kawan-kawan sometimes I don't know what she talking about di jalan. But even you talk rubbish in the sense that you think masa asam pedas lah, you didn't buy that one lah, I will still listen to you. See, sayang you. But kita tak sayang Allah. Mau cepat. Don't know where. No need to. If you solat properly, you tenang, feeling satu-satu, you really feel good. At the end, Assalamualaikum to Allah, macam mau nangis, kita sudah tak boleh cakap lagi dengan dia. So lagi slow, lagi lama kita dengar Allah. You have that feeling. Kalau tak, gila aku mau hari ni tengah tekad rakaat 3, ayo lagi satu kita rush. No need to rush. You don't rush when you talk to your friend. And she will say, apa kau cakap? She don't know what you're talking about. So with Allah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What are you talking? Yeah. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. We're talking about him, Rahman, Rahim. I can feel Rahman, you are very merciful and all that. And yeah, cannot you like it, and I want to ask for your pertolongan. Okay, kita minta. And kita bila duduk antara sujud kan, you sujud, you bangun, and then you baca apa? Rabbil warhamni wajibni. 7 things you ask from God. And you, Rabbil warhamni wajibni warhamni wajibni 7 things you ask. That is very important. Rabbil warhamni wajibni warhamni wazukni wa'ini wa'afini wa'fu'ani. Maaf, forgive. You must every time. No, with feeling lah, not every time you got, no lah. You must know the meaning.
The meaning.
You ask Allah for 7 things in there. I always lama sikit. When you ask people, gini, dan ringgit, lah. Cannot lah. Want something from God? So you got it. Alright, and that is very important. That one is I suka lah. I suka because it means a lot to me lah. I ask for things, yeah. Alright, so you pun jangan ada tak mau swing, tak mau. Ya, sudah tak. Yeah. And takbir. Allah, ada ini macam mana? Jangan. Your hand already lekat. Ini tak boleh buka already, what? So how can you buka like this? Cannot.
Yeah.
Ya, ini lady pun cannot. Tepik dia. Ini macam Allah. Kan, some people do like this, some like this. Aku kan akan kita punya dalam hati Allahu Akbar. In my heart, I said, Allah, aku semayang. You say lah, ilahat. You can feel it. Kalau you Allah Akbar. Oh. You can feel. So you must know the meaning. Little bit ni. Okay, takbir. Speaking aloud. Speaking aloud, you will have to talk about 4 times during your salat. These 4 times, when you baca, you must baca that you can hear. Because Allah want you to hear what you said. But if you are a bit loud, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, your neighbor dengar,
Dengan
salah,
salah.
dosa. Kita ganggu dia. Kita, like dia punya concentration cannot. Right? And too slow. What are you doing? So Bismillah. Sooner you later you will realize how to just you hear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman. Allah, three people can hear you.
Ya.
Dia dosa tu semua you kena. Tak payahlah. You all lost the concentration.
Ya.
Want to show I also can do it. What?
Show people like that. No need lah.
Eh? Alun tak apalah, you nak ganggu siapa-siapa. Tapi pun tak diwajibkan keluar kuat itu macam pun tak payah.
Kalau sulau memang tak boleh ya.
Cuma you lah mulut you
Mulut.
mesti dengar.
Dengar.
Kalau you tak dengar pun your concentration tak ada. So it's better to dengar. Okay. Salam. Salam ada orang ini macam Assalamualaikum. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum. The correct way, yang tak payah ini macam tak payah.
Tak payah.
Just Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Your body don't move.
Oh, boleh.
Because body move, the blood sudah out. You out already. The body stay. Your head move. Your head move.
The body don't move.
Body cannot move. Head move. Got it?
Yeah,
And then when it goes like this, to the side, you make sure the head go as far as possible. You can feel the neck. Macam you strenuous, Because Nabi also want to show his pipi to the people behind. That's how far he went. So kita ini macam Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Tak betul. But that is why in solat kita also exercise. You see, you can feel the muscle. Pray, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. See, ini tak mau goyang. Kiblat, still kiblat. Assalamualaikum, dah. Kiblat dia sudah out. You belum habis lagi. Ini belum habis kan? This one okay lah. Got it? So, salam. Tak payah ada orang sampai tunduk-tunduk. I pun don't know what. Sampai itu macam dia. So, tak payah. Rukuk, not only no body move. Got it? Alright. Okay. Zikir, doa, dia orang kata can use the zikir if you like. But they use hand is the best. Macam gini. Bismillah. You have a system. 3 here, 3 in the middle. Why? Because later jadi saksi kita. Better. But some people say, why you use takbir? I want to show lah. I buy from Mekah. Your niat sudah lain. Nak cakap. Waktunya cantik. Nanti you belajar. Bukan, nanti ini bukan boleh. Ini satu. Bismillah. Okay, no problem. Sekejap lagi. Now cannot lah. I will never finish. Okay, can Anak follow imam. You semayang alone, you baca surah-surah 3 kul lah. 3 kul tahu? Qul a'udzu binas, qul huwallahu ahad, and qul a'udzu. These are the 3 kul. You hafal because kita baru kan.
Imam and Ustaz tak sama.
Tak sama.
Tak sama.
Imam is the one who lead the prayer.
The prayer.
Ustaz is the one who got puasa, sudah pandai. But dia boleh jadi imam. Boleh. Imam can be, even my grandson, imam for my tahlil tadi. Tak apa. Asal dia imam. Tetapi imam ni, kalau kita semayang di rumah, kita dapat 1 pahala saja. Kalau dengan imam, 75 pahala plus. Lagi ramai orang solat, lagi. double dia orang punya. That's why orang suka solat di masjid. Pasal dan suka kalau dapat ada banyak rakaat. Happy. Because kita dapatlah pahala sama-sama lah. Kalau kat rumah itulah you seorang ni satu je. And your baca tu not correct. Sometimes it's better the imam baca kita dengar. Surah-surah yang panjang-panjang. Kita baca keluar Allah. Itu pun kalau tak betul. So better to do masjid. Ya, ini macam lah. So that, and the other thing is that when imam, you follow imam, not with imam. So, Allah, kita tu boleh. Allah, tak boleh. You cannot hide more than him. He must do first, do second. Sampai Allah, ada orang sudah rukuk. Cannot. You ikut imam. Whatever imam Allah. You cannot Allah. Wait. And bila you say Allah, then sampai Allah. Lalu ikut. Slowly lah. Because you got plenty of time to ikut dia. Kan? What's right? Sama-sama. Dia rukuk, you pun rukuk je.
But same also, the surah also the same.
Everywhere.
Same thing.
Imam, you must ikut dia. Follow dia. Bukan together. Sama-sama awal
You do
buat
first
dulu.
The imam do first, then after we follow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boleh. Jangan. Because you remember, I follow the imam. I'm not with the imam. Or I the imam. I don't want lah. Okay. Say examples. Anybody can read the Anas, Surah Al-Inas, anybody? Boleh? So you read the first verse. No, you read. You should hafal by now. Louder. Wait. See? What does it mean? So you cannot just Qul a'udzu birabbin nas. Cannot. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas. Because you're asking from him protection. And you just Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarri. What? The first verse there, I ask protection. And you simply cannot lah. You're asking from Allah kan. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas. Second one. Mali. King of mankind. You talking about? Who is the king of mankind? Allah lah. Yeah. The third one. The real God of mankind. So you puji dia kan? Kita puji dah. Dan the other one, from the evil of whisperers, kita ask for protection from Allah, King of the mankind, real God, from this whisper. Alright. And who whispers into our heart. This jin syaitan ini whisper, not only ear, into your heart. They can go into your heart. Dia orang boleh masuk dalam. Nyek. Yeah. And he can be a jin or even a man. Even our friend. Nantilah kita salat sama-sama. Tiap lagi lah. Setengah jam lagi. And you know, solat awal dengan solat kemudian getting less and less berkat. Dan azan saja, go, pray, finish. Jangan tunggu.
Lambat juga.
You get less blessing lah. Ini sampai 1 sampai pukul 4. You tunggu pukul 4. Kerana you solat ni together with azan. Cannot lah. You must make sure after azan better. So far so good? So, itu kena baca. 3 kul. Kul means say it. Dia suruh. Kita kalau hafal ini 3 kul pun dah bagus. Say. Kul. Kul means say. That one does it say in Falak? I seek protection in the Lord of daybreak. Kita minta. In daybreak, siang. We ask for protection. Yeah, from the evil. We also ask from darkness. At night also we ask from Allah. If you read this surah lah. Atau solat only these 3 surah. Kalau you pandai, you hafal pun dah cukup. Tapi, better if you read other surah. But rather than none at all. And from the evil of the blow, not, see, the envy people, dengki, jealous. All we ask from Allah's protection. So read this verse, this surah. The other one, of course, you know lah, say lah Allah, the one and only lah, Allah that exists and all that, you know, all this lah kan. But, so you, rakaat pertama, Qul huwallahu ahad. Rakaat kedua, you can choose Qul a'udzu binas or falak. Habis. Tetapi if you baca lagi panjang punya, sudah pandai besok, you baca tak apa. Sekarang kita pun tak berapa pandai kan. But at least you tahu the meaning like this. Qul, say it. Allah asks you to say in your Fatihah ayat. Fatihah ayat. Berkat dia lain lah. You asking all this doa. Got it? So go home, hafal. These three mesti hafal. Any question so far? Buat solat? Ya, Fatimah apa nak tanya tu? Nak tanya ke tak nak tanya? Angkat tutup. Ya,
I have questions about
louder.
after registration.
Just now we went through.
I not here. I'm late.
No. We just finished. And the mandi hadas besar. Wajib?
How about in our private part, the hair? Because I hear that it should be.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
we went through very detailed just now. But never mind, I come back to you one to one because I don't want to repeat again for the others. Kan? But I will see you. All right. Any other question? Yeah.
The thing, before entering the mosque, we need to pray 2 rakaat. And how about finish after the
Okay.
I need another 2 more?
No, like this. Before you enter the mosque, dia ada ayat. Kat sini pun ada. The baca, you cannot, apa you baca. Masuk masjid. Tangan, kaki kanan. Ya. Jangan kalang kabut masuk. Baca. Stand for a while. And niat, you want to iktikaf there. I want to pray and I want iktikaf. Iktikaf means you get another blessing for in the house of Allah. You want to stay there lah. And then you go in. Go in, you mesti sembahyang. Any masjid you go, sunat 2 rakaat untuk masjid. Ya, respect lah to your masjid. And then, katalah zuhur. And then, bila belum zuhur, you mau boleh buat sunat. Sunat ada before subuh, zuhur, after zuhur, ada. Tapi when you come, subuh especially, dia tak sempat pun solat masjid, sudah azan. Kan? It's okay, later you pray sebelum subuh, sunat, it will cover. But we don't purposely come late lah, in other words. So itu rakaat, not any solat ada 2 rakaat. Zuhur ada. Zuhur 2. Asar sebelum 2. After, no. Because a lot of people want to go back to their job. Allah knows. Kan, tak payah sunat. Maghrib selepas. Sebelum?
Orang buka puasa.
Kalau buka puasa tak payahlah. Lepas.
Sekali buat, boleh buat.
You can do it. They must be English.
If you are used to do it every Maghrib, sebelum Maghrib, you can do, but usually we prefer to after Maghrib. Because before Maghrib and Azan, people who are breakfast, they do it between fast first.
So, you have to read one book on solat sunnah. Yeah, not every time. Like subuh also people want to go to work. So after you don't need to do sunat. But before buatlah. So ada dia punya itu. Yeah. Okay. Does that answer your question? Yep. Okay. Any other question? No? No. So far so good? Except utang Fatimah. Okay. What? Ini tak payahlah you all. Hey. Zakat. Zakat. What is zakat? Zakat ni kita ada wajib every year. wajib. Before the Hari Raya, you pay your zakat. Itu the rice. Last time they 1 kilo of rice. It depends on what you eat every day. The rice.
This year is different.
Every year different. Area. Sometimes Selangor different, wilayah different. So where you are praying, your jemaah where? I jemaah here, I will ask here. I don't worry lah about others. Don't worry, don't compare only. Because different place though, lain, your call lain. You understand? That is one that you must pay. The other thing is that if you are gaji, say 1,000 per month, say lah, just say, example lah, 1,000 per month, 2.5% is not yours. So you should have a little first, I put zakat first. 2.5, 1,000 is how much? $2.50 per month. You must put zakat first. It's not your money, you cannot eat. It's for the zakat. So if I see orang miskin ke, orang beggar ke, ambil ini duit lah. Zakat. Orang anak-anak kecil ke miskin ke apa ke, zakat. Kita bayar zakat. Tapi zakat tak ada, tak apalah, you can use the other money to sumbang, to sedekah, itu lain cerita. Up to you lah. But zakat ni, you must make sure. Every month I put zakat first. So, you don't know.
Necessarily go to that country.
Not necessary. Zakat is for the orphanage, untuk orang miskin, susah, nak makan susah, all that lah. So kalau I tengok ada, I ambil the money. Kalau dah habis lah. So be careful of your zakat. Sometimes they say zakat in the morning, they put RM1. Kan, I put in a box, RM1. After subuh, tabung you put. Then bila sudah banyak, hantar bawa masjid. Because you must jaga lah. Don't eat other people's money. RM2.50. What for you want to eat? Every night, every month. Of course lah, you must niat lah kan. After solat, I say I put RM1 in the box. Niat I ialah you sedekah subuh. And then like that lah. And then I think I change into RM10 lah, not RM1. Or you want to put RM5, doesn't matter. But at the end of it, you take, you cannot belanja on you lah. Now you take, you must change and give to the jangan simpan-simpan tu right. Mak, 50 you don't have lah, cannot. That's why you must have one first. I put it zakat first.
Every day.
One only lah, one first. But you put inside lah. Then change lah, RM10, RM20 up to you. Jangan makan duit orang. Not worth it. Okay, Soba? Okay, sedekah I think give all up to you like that one. Not wajib lah. You can in fact, they say whoever susah. Tapi if you can see the susah is more this one, kita bagi juga lah. I have one.
For example, I was saying that
Can. I had one man, Chinese man, when I was eating. He said, I have not eaten for 3 days. Can you belanja? No? Second, do not makan. Because they ask you. When somebody asks you for it, ada tak RM1, ada tak RM5, you cannot say tak ada. You must give at least RM1 also, never mind. May not be RM5 lah. RM1, I got RM5, but I will give you more. Habis. Because Allah yang buat dia, testing you, come and ask you. And then you ada RM5 and you kata tak ada duit. Saya ada RM5.
But we can also give for the Islam person lah.
Not necessarily.
Not the Islam cannot give lah.
Can give.
My friend said, don't give, not Islam.
Namalah, don't say like that. They come to you also, Allah yang gerak. By giving to him, maybe he change his mind and become Muslim. Amin. Kan? So janganlah, genuine or not, must check lah. Some in Islam also not genuine, become a complot or go around take money, you know. So up to you, but make sure you're not. Okay lah, I give you my zakat. Okay, sobat-sobat, puasa. These one people hate puasa. Benci betul ini puasa sudah datang. Tetapi you forgot. During this fasting month, all month Ramadan. People pray, Ya Allah, please let me reach Ramadan. Please let me reach Ramadan, because Ramadan is the richest. Anything you give, 10 sen berkat dia lain. Ramadan. You baca Fatihah, I want to give to so and so. Ramadan ke apa, lebih. So Ramadan is, people wait for Ramadan because macam-macam berkat kita dapat. And yet kita ingat puasa, jangan makan, jangan minum. Bukan makan minum saja. Fasting wajib Ramadan. Kita first day, a lot of people say I got period, cannot. But the first day is the most niat saja aku puasa untuk bulan Ramadan, the whole month. So in case you forget 1 or 2 days, it's okay because you have done it. You have niat for the whole month. Got it? Why you? Got it? But that doesn't mean I already 1 month, I no need. Cannot lah. Cannot lah. You need niat for the whole month. If you forget or you tak bangun ke apa ke, never mind. It already cover. But kalau boleh tak usah, you reinforce lah kan. Okay, so far. And kalau kita pergi mau buka puasa, now is the time for you to clean the table lah, go and buy this lah, buy that, put ice lah. Halang kabut. 5 minutes before buka puasa, you should be sitting. Already duduk zikir dan minta, Ya Allah, aku nak buka puasa. This is the most, God will give what you ask. It's the 5 minutes before you buka puasa. Not 5 minutes still in bazaar Ramadan. Still getting plate and so. Buka puasa 7:30, 7 o'clock, I table already. All then done. The last cuma taruh panaskan aja lah. And duduk. Minta lah, Ya Allah. Kalau doa pun kita tangan ada orang ini macam, ada orang ini macam, ada orang ini macam, betul? Actually, if you like this, why God can give you don't even ask. It's like this. Buka, Ya Allah, tolong. And no one don't know it, go high lah. Can smell everything. Go down. Up to there. Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Amin. Amin, Ya Allah. My ustaz, my imam doa. Kita tak pandai doa kan. Dia doa mudah-mudahan sampaikanlah ni. Please give him lah what he ask for. Kita tahu tak kalau dia nak ask for bad things kan. Tapi kalau dah macam gini macam mana? So the best. Buka. Ini macam. And minta. The best. Ini macam dia masuk. Dia doa masuk kat kita. Tak payah tutup. Got it? Alright. Boleh? Alright. After this, doa. How doa? Macam mana you doa? Ya, minta. And then your heart, ingat Ya Allah. Itu make the one who make the doa. Kita makbulkan lah. Get it lah. Like that. Ya Allah. Ustaz aku doa. Ya Allah. Kasihlah ustaz aku dapat imam aku makbulkan doa-doa dia, Ya Allah. Like that. Amin. Kan kita baca amin aja kan. Kita tak payah baca doa pula. Orang baca doa, kita baca doa. Amin. Ya Allah. Amin. Ya Allah. Amin. Mudah-mudahan dimakbulkan. Amin. Macam. Dan amin. Ini ada orang. You ingat dia boyfriend or what? Amin daripada atas. Tukar amin. Sabu bawah sambahan. Amayahan. Mudah-mudahan. Tak payah. Allah don't. Okay. And then the sunat lah. Kalau puasa sunat, you dapat puasa Monday to Thursday better. So itu tak wajib. The other one is puasa 6. People always confuse. Puasa 6 means not every day 6 hari. No. In that month of Shawwal, 6 days.
You choose 1 day lah.
No, 1 day here, 1 day, or 6 days lah.
6 days lah.
Yeah. But a lot of people like to do straight 6 days because easier. Your body already used to the fasting.
Yeah.
Usually second raya, they already fast because we're not going anywhere. A lot of people. until 6 days.
Which one is better?
Up to you.
Up to me
The
lah.
pahala sama.
Oh, sama
You
je.
one day here, one day, one day,
Also
one day
can.
can. Except you one day here, kawan you puasa. And then your friend say, come lah.
Oh,
We go,
lah.
okay lah. I can only, tomorrow I can fast. Habis 3 And then cukup bulan already Syawal.
Yeah,
You have done how many? 2. Kan? So usually I like straight. Sorry
yeah,
lah.
straight better.
I puasa 6.
Yeah.
Macam gitu
Yeah,
lah.
correct.
And then hari ni aku raya. After the 6 I raya. Pergilah mana nak pergi. Kan? Okay. So, last one is pilgrimage. Pilgrimage to Mecca, kita kata optional, wajib kita pergi. Tetapi kita kalau boleh, you got the money or not. Somebody say, I got no money, so I no need to go Mecca. But she got Rolls Royce, Jaguar, 2-3 houses, carpet 1,000, you know. All that is, if you add, that means you can go. You mampu pergi. Cuma you punya fokus sudah beli lain. But, so always niat. You want to go wajib, you can afford, you must niat first. I want to go to Haji lah. I want to go Haji kalau ada duit. Then only you will usaha. Kan?
For the own money, yes. So, kalau mau pergi mana-mana.
Not your own money. If I got extra money, I
Extra
want to
money.
give you.
Ah.
I say, you do umrah for me, do haji. I give you the money. Also can. What's wrong? You dropping on? Oh, no wonder lah rusak. So not necessary. Sometimes you niat, ya Allah, aku nak pergi haji lah. Somehow the money will come. Here lah, little bit. Because you really want to go. You niat, you want to go. If you mati, you sudah niat. Tak apa. Niat sekarang, somehow the money will come. Orang sedekah lah, apalah. Tak tahu kan, macam-macam. Kita tak tahu rezeki daripada Allah daripada mana kita tak tahu. Tapi kita nak pergi. You really want to go lah. Not like I thought kalau pergi pun boleh, tak pergi pun boleh. Ya Allah. Every time lepas sembahyang, I will pray, Ya Allah, terimalah saya sebagai tetamu, your guest to your home. Because I have friends who sudah nak pergi haji, sudah Allah Akbar nak turun tangga, heart attack.
Oh, yeah.
Itu pasal kita kena, Ya Allah, terima kita. Please accept me lah as your guest. We are going to his house, kan? You want to go to his house, go. And so on. So, niat lah. Niat and then somehow betul-betul punya niat, Allah akan bagi. Somehow, don't ask me from where. Ada orang nak bagi ke, nak orang sumbang ke. We don't know lah.
But I also got niat. Every time I niat, I will go for home lah.
Okay.
Rumah tembak pergi.
Oh, kalau itu tak boleh pelan-pelan. Dia nak pergi umrah tapi dia tak ada kawan. Kawan is not a problem. Not problem. If you you talk to her afterwards. She also so long 25 years there. Agency. Not now lah.
Sorry.
Korang ni.
Sorry.
Your
class.
My class won't talk to you.
Sorry.
Malah dia cakap. Dah. The umrah is not wajib. So umrah you can go anytime. 10 days, 5 days, 6 days. 20 days, up to you lah, how much you got money. And you got an agent, they don't go alone. They go 10 people, 20 people in a group. And then they put you you pay, one room, 2 orang, mahal sikit lah. One room, 4 people, cheaper. So you got 4 people there to friend you sampai you balik. You become very close friends. So don't worry about nobody, nobody to take me. Bukan tak ada kawan.
Ingat selalu tapi kawan macam ni. Ini tak ada kawan. Dia tak tahu apa. Tanya siapa.
Nanti you tak banyak kawan. Nanti dia tanya Puan Ainun. Not now.
Yeah, not now. Your class.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So haji is a pillar, one of the pillars. Can you imagine you got 5 pillars and then you tak cuma 4 saja. So sengit your house. Kalau you tak solat, 3 saja. Kalau you niat saja solat tak ada, zakat tak ada, ini 1 saja tiang macam mana? Mau bikin rumah? Islam tiang dia satu saja. Dia patut ada 5. Kan? They only haji only fixed. You cannot go anytime dia ada hari raya haji that one dia got to do maka that one. But if you want to go umrah, it's okay. Dia sunat and it can be performed anytime. The agency they fix already. How many days? You tell them I want to go 10 days lah. So they will choose the date for you. Oh, here got kosong. Got. Like that lah.
Home rush like that lah.
You have to dream to go. You want to go. So you be like this. Very nice. Yeah, I dream. If I go like this, this is dream lah. But if you don't take action, this what will happen. Tengok lah.
Oh,
Because you don't take action.
action.
You want to go. You dream about it. But never keep money, never ask any agency, never, no action.
Oh, I got asked man, the price of gold really. Dia sudah pergi.
Tak apalah, tak ada rezeki lah.
Oh.
Ini macam Allah kata you cannot go with them.
Oh.
We don't know why. Ada reason. Maybe cannot. So jangan salahkan ini. Like that, yeah? Okay. You see a goal that I want to go to Makkah without a plan, no action, nothing. It's just a wish. Nothing. Every day wish, but no action. Because nobody said it was easy. Nobody said being Islam is easy. So don't be stressed. InsyaAllah, before you all like this, tadi sudah masuk Islam kan, jadi ini macam. You tengok sana, you tengok muka saya. Dia asyik tengok muka saya je. You see my face for what? See like that. Some people gemuk until like that. Why stress? Because stress, 7 of your system, they will eat up your 7 system. So no need to be stressed. Okay? Be honest with yourself. Sincere from your heart is very important. Everything kerana Allah and sincere. So far so good? Alright. Be in the right direction. You go out like this, sampai you mati pun tak pergi umrah. Semua tak boleh. Salah jalan lah ini. Kan? Because success is not by luck. It is not by feng shui, no. Success, it depends on the second letter, you. All you. Got it? Success to go and do umrah or not, it's all you. Not so and so, my friend all gone already, never come back. Whatever lah. If seriously you want to go, then you plan. Take action. Got it? Boleh? Sekarang boleh tengok sana, jangan tengok muka saya. Alright, you work for it. You got no money, work for it lah. You got no friend, work for it lah. Takkan berjuta orang tak dapat kan? You cannot change yesterday, but I'm sure you can change today. After this lecture, I hope you all can change. Yeah? Because insyaAllah, change, be a role model to the others. And then they will try, akan, you so happy, so nice, so harmony, being a mu'alaf, like that lah, role model lah. Be happy. Happiness is another berkat. You must tak dapat. Just happy lah. Right? Dear past, whatever your past, sudah lepas, thank you for all the lesson. It's not wasted. You can compare between the now and before. So it's not wasted. Thank you for all the lesson. Dear future, I am ready. Any question?
No.
Kalau tak ada question, thank you for your attention. You are the best. Mu'alaf, thank you. And may Allah bless you. And practice what we have just learned. Small things. But I hope you learn. And insyaAllah, I maybe get your contact from you. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan. Mudah-mudahan berkati kami, ya Allah. Ya Allah, ingatkanlah kami apa yang kami lupa, ya Allah. Ya Allah, berkatilah kami, ya Allah. Ya Allah. Amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. Amin. May Allah bless you all. Okay. Okay. Itu. Tolong I nak sedekah apa dipanggil telefon. Those who have bagi everybody. Mudah-mudahan you use your telephone, I will get sambutan. Every time you remember me, baca Fatihah and sedekah.